What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a cute cartoon illustration of Anna from Frozen. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's start a curve coming down and we'll bend that up towards the right. Now let's step up and draw a short curve for the top of the nose going up and then down. Now we want to move up to the side and draw the top of the cheeks. So let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up and then out. Let's line this up on the right, going up and out. Now we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the cheeks. So on the left side, let's step out, draw a circle, going all the way around toward the top of the eye, and down the side, and then in. Let's do the same thing on the right, going all the way around toward the same height, come down, and then in. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top left side of each eye, so coming around and then back out, and then we'll line it up on the right. Now let's draw another circle in the center of each eye going in behind the highlight. So let's start from the bottom of the highlight, coming down, up, and then out. And we'll do the same thing on the right side. And then we'll fill the center of the pupils in black. Let's give our character some thick lashes. Starting from the inside along the top, we're going to go up. Just taper that down towards the side. And just curl that up on the end. Come down and then in towards the side of the eye. Let's do the same thing on the right. Going up, come down, just curl that up on the end. Pull that in towards the side of the eye. And then we'll fill the lashes in black. Now directly underneath the nose, let's draw the mouth. We draw a curve coming down and up. Go back to the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth coming down and up. And then in the center, we'll add a curve for the tongue. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and brush the hair over towards the left. Let's start on top of the right eye, go up towards the top. I'm just going to brush this across and over towards the left eye. I'll add a point coming up and in. Let's add another point. We're going to step down, go across the top of the left eye and out. Go back up and in. Now from the side, I'm just going to curl this out and then down. Pull this up and then in. Now from the outside of the eyes, we're going to step out and draw the lower half of the head. Let's start on the left and come down, come in underneath the mouth, go across and then pull that up towards the right side. Now I'm going to go back and add some freckles just on top of the cheeks and add a couple just up above the nose. And let's close off the left side of the head going out and up. Now from this point we're just going to curve the hair going out and then down toward the top of the head. Let's add in the eyebrow going up and then down. Go back to the inside, go up higher in the middle, and then back down. Now from the cheeks, we're just going to add the edge of the hair going out and then up toward the side. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll tuck the ears in behind. We'll start back on the left, curl this around, down, and then in. Let's add a fold along the top of the ears. Now we want to draw the outside of the hair. Let's start on top of the ear on the left. We're going to go all the way around, go up and in. Now we're going to add a point, going out and down. I'm going to bring this up, go across, and then bend that down towards the right. Let's step up, curve the right side of the head, go all the way around, and just bend that in on top of the right ear. Now we're going to add those two braids starting underneath the ears. Let's start on the left side, bend this out, and then in. And I'm just going to mirror that over on the right side. Come in and tuck that up underneath the head. Now the braids are going to get smaller as they come down. Let's start on the left side, bend this around, and then in. And same thing on the inside. Let's add a couple more along the bottom. And then along the bottom, we're just going to add a band with a curve coming around and then up, almost like a half circle. Let's add the end of the braid, starting on the left, come around, in, and then back out. Then the inside coming in, and then back up underneath the band. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back and add a fold in the center of each braid. Let's start from this point, bend this in and then down, and we'll just work our way up. Let's do it in the opposite direction on the right side. Let's go up underneath the chin and add that strap going across the shawl. We're going to start on either side with a circle. And then we'll add that rope going across. From the inside, come down and up. Step down and draw that again. Now in the center, draw a straight line coming down. Now you're going to split this off across the bottom. Bend this down and then out in behind the braid on the left and then the right side. Let's add a trim all the way around, just follow that same curve going out. Now underneath the shawl, draw two straight angle lines coming down towards the hips. And we'll bend this in and then down towards the center point. Let's trace these two curves along the top. Now you want to add a simple detail inside the body. Starting from the center, bend this up and out toward the left and right. Come down and then back in toward the center. Now we're going to draw a smaller version along the top. Let's go back to the hips and draw the outside of the dress. Bend this out and then down. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Down and then up. Now you want to add a simple pattern across the bottom of the dress. From the side, I'm going to bend this down and then pull that up in the middle, down and then up towards the right side. In the center, draw a straight line coming down in between the feet, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Start with the left side, coming down and up, go back to the center, come down and up towards the right. Now going back to the left side, let's draw the top of the foot. We'll curve this up, bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then from the top of the foot, draw a straight line going up. Let's separate the heel with a curve, going across. Now we're going to go back up to the top and tuck the arms in behind the body. Let's start on the left side, bend the arm coming down and in. Now going back to the top of the arm, let's curve the shawl coming down and then out. And we'll bend that back in and then up behind the braid. Now from these 2 points, we're just going to curve the shawl coming down and in towards the side of the dress. Let's add a trim along the inside, just following that same curve. And then we'll move up towards the inside of the braid and curve the shoulders, coming up underneath the head. So we'll start with the left, going up and in. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Anna from Frozen. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.